Bakit kasi kilikili? Anong meron sa kilikili ko? Wala ngang buhok. Pala kayo dyan, kakanta ako. 3 million! Take me now. Kuhanin mo na ako. Kuhanin mo na ako. Sa kalagitnaan ng gabi. I need, baby, I need your love right now. And I want, baby, I want to show you how. Come on, you know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time to be lovers. I try to be only one with you, and it's hard, but baby, it's for it all for you, and it's hurt making me wait for you this way. I can go on, so come on, take me now, take my love, may come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust me, your love will never last. I know we haven't known each other long, but still something so right just can't be wrong. Besides, without to be up to me and you when it's time for each other. I'll leave before the day we made us one. Look back over all the things we've done. But now, maybe I need your love right now. I can't go on, so come on and take me now. Take my love, may come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, your love will never last. Take me now, take my love, may come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, your love will never last. Take me now, take me fast. You can trust in me, your love will never last. Ay, madam, please. Madam, please show your armpits. What happened to my armpits? Ano ba naman kasi yung armpit ko na to? Halo-halo. Punutan mo ito ng buhok. Yung pabunot ka ng buhok.
Sephora is now touring gut research for gut defense.
Bakit kailangan nilang tingnan yung kilikili ko? Ano pang meron sa kilikili ko na yan? Baka ma-hypnotize kayo?
Probiotics.
Ambot. Bakit ba kasi pinagdidiskitahan ng armpit ko? Said I love you but I lie. Please, hindi. Ano ba? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Bakit? Bakit kailangan mo makita? Binibigyan mo. Why you give me 20 seconds of my armpit? Why? Do you want to check whether got hairy when I'm gone? Ay, ambot ni mo, oy. Bala kayo dyan, kakanta ako. Paliparan mo ako, pakita ko sa'yo. Paliparan mo ako $100.